100-layer lasagna. Do you think that Alvin's gonna be able to do it?
If anyone's gonna do it, it's gonna be Alvin.
There's no way. It's impossible.
If anyone can do it, Alvin can do it.
Alvin can do anything.
I feel like my whole life has led up to this point.
Today, we're making the 100-layer lasagna. It's gonna be great. I'm a little nervous. 100 layers is a lot of layers. I've never made this before. It's kind of a crazy idea, and hopefully it goes well.
Oh, I forgot my concealer. Oh, I need to put on concealer. Hold on, I need to put on concealer. Hold on. The ladies at Sephora were very patient with me while I learned how to do this. Not gonna get on the food, I promise. But, you know, gotta take care of these hands, because I throw them a lot. The idea for the 100-layer lasagna kind of came from an internet challenge. It was kind of like this 100 layers of makeup, 100 layers of clothes, and you know, we work at Tasty, so like, why not do 100 layers of food? And lasagna was the first layered food that came to mind. So instead of doing the usual ricotta mixture and a chunky meat sauce, I went for a thinner meat sauce and a bechamel, because when I assemble the lasagna, this is going to help keep those layers nice and smooth. When I'm done, this will have 50 layers of noodles and 50 layers of sauce for a grand total of 100 layers. The biggest hurdle with this is going to be its size and how it is contained, because there's no baking dish that can fit on a 100-layer lasagna, and you know, you could definitely go and maybe get a custom metal pan, but to do this at home, I wanted to see how you can maybe customize or MacGyver regular baking dishes to fit this. It's gonna be really tall, and definitely figuring out how to bake it while maintaining its height and size was the most difficult part. I thought of using foils and lasagna noodles to sort of hold the foil up and to make these like 4 walls to contain the lasagna while it baked, and I hope it works. So we'll start with the pan as a base, and as the lasagna gets taller and taller and taller, we're gonna put the walls in to help keep it in place. Each layer needs to be extremely level and extremely smooth. Guys, I think I lost track. I'm at like 5. Does anybody have a piece of paper and a pen? It's almost like Jenga. If you do it all one way, the lasagna might split down the middle, but if you can alternate them, it'll create this interlocking pattern that'll help them stay more stable when you cut it. I just put the foil walls on because I want to make sure it doesn't like collapse.
I feel like you should name this thing.
But I would feel bad about naming my lasagna, because then I would cut it open and it would be eaten by like 500 people. I think George would be nice, but spelled S-J-O-R-S. 41, ladies and gentlemen, 41. I would make this for a really big party, if I'm really trying to like show off to a bunch of fancy people. I don't know. I also just might make it for lunch. Don't get lost in the sauce, kids. I think we're in a good spot, I'm not gonna lie. It's like still not even over the edge, and we've only got 7 more, so I'm feeling pretty good about this. You know, it could just totally collapse and explode, and you know, then it's not all good.
Oh my god.
It's so heavy.
Please don't trip.
That boy.
Look at her go.
Hey, look at that. The rack is bending from the weight of it.
The rack is bending. Claire.
What's happening?
His lasagna is so heavy that it's bending the oven rack.
Can you not put 2 racks on top of each other?
Ooh, Alvin, put 2 racks on top of each other. Massive.
Oh my lord.
All right, still bending a little bit. Attempt number 3.
There we go. See you in an hour.
Whew.
That oven's hotter than my mixtape.
So it's been an hour. I think it's ready. I took off the foil halfway. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh, my boy George right there. Look at this. The walls are holding up pretty great, so I'm very happy with the success of this. Whew. Oh man, look at that. That's pretty freaking awesome. It smells so good. I can't wait to eat you. Take it out, put it on a board. Take it out, put it on a board, cut it. It's pretty tough. I haven't thought about it this far yet. They put the handles there so you could like lift it out. But it seems like some of the sauce is like making it stick. Come on, George.
George.
Come on, George, get out of there. Guys, I can't get it out. Oops. Oh well, it's just one piece.
George is being a little stubborn right now.
Come on, dude. The sauce like made the foil stick to the pan. So now it's like preventing me from getting it out. Just grabbing as many flat utensils that are made out of metal as much as I can.
Just tear off. Tear off the pan. Keep going.
Wait, hold on. Put it back. Back down, back down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, it's not do that.
You got it.
We got onto the cutting board. It was a wild ride, kids. Now it's time to see what it looks like. Whew! Look at that. Once I removed the foil and it kind of stayed in its own shape, that was a turning point because I felt like that was one of the biggest risks of this video is that if you take off the walls and it falls over, then there's no point. I'm so nervous, holy moly.
It's very soft, which I'm very happy about.
Cut number 2. Oh. Oh my God. That is what I am talking about. Oh my, woo! We gotta get an official counter.
Pierce, we need you to count the layers.
The rules are a noodle is 1 layer and a sauce is 1 layer.
So just count the noodles and multiply by 2.
28, 49, 50, 51.
I'm counting 49.
51.
I got 52 again.
What? Wait, 52?
Oh, let's take official count. 7, 19, 30,
42.
48, 49, 50, 51, 52.
52?
And this is the...
Oh, that's Parmesan though.
No, but this was 52.
When I was given the news that it was in fact not a 100 layer lasagna, in fact it was 104, I felt a little confused. Did I do what I set out to do? Is overachieving better? Is 104 cooler than 100? It tastes surprisingly super delicious. I think my biggest fear was that because of all those noodles, it was gonna be dry. It was very, flavorful, it was very moist. I was super, super excited about how good it actually tasted. I think it was pretty awesome to see people come up and their sort of eyes just go a little bit wide. They're like, wait, like, is this it? Like, is it actually 100 layers? Like, did you make this? Like, yeah, like, this is something that I thought about and I made it and it turned out pretty awesome.